Hello guys, today I'll show you how to fix Bet365 Sports Betting app not working. All you have to do is reinstall the app, and here's how. While using your Android device, click on the provided link to download the Bet365 on their official website or head to your Google Play Store. After the download completes, a notification will appear within your browser. Open the file. In the settings menu, just enable Allow from this source to permit the download app. Once the installation is complete, you can select Open to launch the app immediately. Alternatively, select Done if you wish to open it later. If you encounter any issues while downloading or accessing Bet365's mobile products, you can reach out to their support team or update their app to the latest official update. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.